So we have finally made it to the festival, and we're looking for an author right now, but we kind of want to wait.
Okay, very good, very pretty name.
We got. I want to look at the pens. Here's what we have on to try. Let's see if this is a good shopping trip. Guys, so first of all, I'm sorry for the background noise, but next, as y'all saw, I went to the mall with my best friend, and here's the story time. So she told me that there was a MORPHE at the mall, and I didn't know about a MORPHE store being at the mall, so I was like, cool, I want the James Charles palette, but I had no intention of buying it, because I didn't want to spend like my money, so I was like, but we went to MORPHE anyways, and I saw the James Charles palette sitting there, and it was so beautiful, and like we swatched it and everything, and it was like gorgeous. I really wanted an eyeshadow palette, but I was just gonna go for like those $20 like MORPHE palettes, because I was like, you know what, they're kind of the same shades. We all know James Charles's palette is better, but like, come on, it's still MORPHE. We love some MORPHE products. My sister convinced me to get it, and like it was a gorgeous palette, so I ended up buying it, and I was freaking out over buying it because I spent all my money on the James Charles palette. By the way, I did spend this with like my own money. I earned this cash, I paid for it. I went to MORPHE and got the James Charles palette. And like people were probably looking at me like, what is this girl doing buying the James Charles palette because this lady wanted it and she didn't get it, and then I just came and got it. And like, it's so beautiful. I don't even want to throw the bag away. So here it is. I better be recording. Are you guys ready? You guys aren't ready for this. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. It's the James Charles palette, and like I still can't believe I got it. And like in the back it's like, hi sister, it's James Charles here, and on the back of my palette I love glam. I also have a huge passion for crazy colorful outside of the box makeup, and I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautiful formulation necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can wait to see you what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist. And like his signature is there, but it's still really cool and it's so beautiful. And now we're gonna unbox this baby. Bubble wrap. It's the MORPHE X James Charles palette. By the way, I'm sorry for the nails. But like, oh, it has a smudge. Like, I want no fingerprints on this. It says, unleash your inner artist. I don't know if you could see it, but look at these colors. The names are so creative. Like, code James, 10% off. I don't want to do swatches on all of them, but like, I'll do one. I really want to try this purple one. What's this one called? Artistry. And see this swatch. Like, look at it, how pigmented that is on my finger. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. That's a very nice purple. Gold. Let's see if this is gold. Oh my gosh, look at the gold. It's so, wow, those two colors are so nice. This is like pink because I use pink a lot. Yes, queen, we love it. Okay, let's try pinkity drinkity. That's a very soft pink. I love that pink because it looks so bold. Look at that on my finger. What? That's so hot pink. It's so beautiful. How do you get this? Okay, I want to try this yellow. I like how I said that I wasn't going to swatch it, but now it's just... Okay, let's go into this green here. I'm sorry not saying the names, by the way. If you need someone to do your eyeshadow, girl, just tell me. Bring your eyeshadow brushes because this is gonna last us forever. I'm gonna enjoy this James Charles palette, and I feel like we should just hop on to the outro of this video because, girl, I want to play with this. Well, not play with it, but like use it. And like, oh, still can't believe I bought it. And that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that James Charles palette unboxing. Like, I was a bit like freaking out and stuff, but now I'm kind of like, wow, I bought the James Charles palette. Like, wow. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. By the way, I never introduced it because I wanted to try a new style. So the beginning part was just like a book festival thing because I needed some extra credit. And the rest was the actual mall vlog and the unboxing. So I hope you guys didn't mind that. But this weekend was so much fun. And good vlogs are on the way. So I'll catch you guys later. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you like James Charles and if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That'll support my channel a lot. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye!